everyone. Paalis na lang ako, may duty ako. Kaya lang naamoy ko ito niluluto ng kasama ko rito. Hi Rehana, what are you doing?
Making paratha.
Okay, she's making potato parotta.
Yes.
What time your duty?
When I will finish, I will go.
Okay.
Only she sent to make this.
So this is my friend Rehana. Siya mga na-prepare niya na daw, guys. Yan yung kanyang flour na dinadust sa niro-roll niyang dough. Ito yung finished product niya. Rehana, this is too big.
Yes, we will cut.
You will cut into triangle?
Yes. Enjoy.
Everybody can enjoy.
So if each person take one, so what about others? So we will cut, everybody can.
What are the ingredients of this?
This is potato, all masala, green chili, red chili and coriander leaves.
Wow. And then you will cover it with another dough?
Yes. See?
You will still need to roll it?
Yes. Still. This is fresh, this one old I will do.
Okay. So this is the potato parotta of my Pakistani friend here.
This one we will make two. One I will put here, and this is the second. No. You want to take out?
Can I taste later? Okay. Look at that, how she rolled the dough perfectly into circle, guys. I want to show when you put the top.
Yeah, I will put. No. Then this is potato.
Looks great, Rehana. What is she's making? A potato parotta. This is the dough. This is the mixture filling. That's the dough. And this is the finished product.
You cut and take half. I will
Okay. Yan na, guys. Flip-flop niya. And then, she will put it here. Wow. Perfect. Thank you, Rehana, for sharing your potato parotta with Kitchen Adventure. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. At papasok na rin si Kitchen. Wow, our kitchen is very small. You will cut it. Sige, I want to show it to them how you cut it. Cut into triangle.
Yes.
This is nice for breakfast.
Yeah, very nice. That's what they request the old doctor.
Doctors like this.
Too much. See?
Wow, perfect. Where you will put it?
Yeah.
So this is the finished product, guys. Potato parotta from my Pakistani friend. So this is very famous in Pakistan. Siya. Sarap nito. Naamoy ko kasi niluluto niya eh. So napadala ko bigla sa kusina. Bye! I'll go now, Ban.
Okay.
Wait. I'll show them again what you're doing. What is that? Olive oil. Yeah, olive oil is very safe, right? Uy, sige na. Uy, maliliit na ako. Bye-bye na, Ban. Bye-bye, Rehana. So, ayan na, guys. Yung binaon kong parotta gawa ni Rehana kanina sa bahay. Yay! Let's taste it. Ito, masarap ba ito? Uy, ang laki naman. Kain tayo. This is very heavy daw sa stomach, sabi pa ni Rehana. Pag kumakain tayo nito, mabigat daw talaga. Para na tayong kumain ng isang buong tanghalian. So, kain tayo, guys. Look at that. Potato parotta ni Rehana. Kanina ginawa niya sa bahay. So, binaon ko. Hindi naman siya masyadong maanghang. A little bit spicy, pero carry naman. Masarap siya, guys. Promise. This is famous sa Pakistan. potato parotta. Happy eating, kitchen! Magwo-work ka na maya-maya. So, I'll take another bite. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Ang sarap ng potato parotta. Homemade.